Today I have a few items for you from Born Pretty, and starting with this beautiful multicolor glitter, and it's called Super Laser because it will give you like reflections like a rainbow. And the next one is a magnetic cat eye gel polish. I haven't seen this type of gel polish before. It has multicolors in it. This one has more like a hint of green in it. And of course you're gonna be needing a magnet to be able to use this gel polish properly. The next one is another magnetic cat eye gel polish. This one has more like a purple hint in it. These gel polishes are very nice to create a galaxy nail design. And the next one is another magnetic cat eye gel polish. It says green on the label, but it has a hint of blue in it. It looks more like a teal color to me, but it's definitely beautiful. And the last item here is a sculpting gel. It's very clear and it wasn't moving out of place when I tried it. So it's gonna be very nice to create some 3D nail art. I'm going to leave a link to the website down below in the description part of the video, so go ahead and check it out. And for today I'm gonna be creating some press-on nails and using some coffin shaped nails, and I'm using my dust collector from Amazon because I don't want to be breathing in this dust. Once I'm done filing the shine from the nail tips, I'm gonna go ahead with base gel. I'm gonna be using today Imeili base gel and cure that for 60 seconds under my UV LED lamp. If you want to try to make your own press-on nails at home, it's not that difficult, but you are gonna need a few items. You're gonna need stands to place your nail tips. You're gonna need nail tips. You're gonna need sticky tabs or a sticky putty just to attach the nails to the stands. And then you're gonna need base gel, different color gels as well, depending on what you want to create or your taste. And if you're using gel polishes, you're gonna need a UV LED lamp. I purchased this one on Amazon and it's been great so far. You can do press-on nails with regular nail polish. That one air dries, but I don't really recommend that. I prefer to work with gel polishes because they will make your nail tips stronger as well. Right here I started to experiment with this color, but I didn't have any ideas today. Sometimes I have ideas, sometimes my mind just goes blank and I have no idea on what to create or what to do with the nails. But as you can see, it's completely beautiful, this color. And I'm gonna probably use it on another video, but for today I decided to go with the darker cat eye magnetic gel polishes and to create some kind of galaxy. The gel polishes don't really need a lot of decoration today because they are beautiful by themselves. All I'm going to do is apply a black gel polish as a base, and then I will go from there. The black gel polish that I'm using is as well from Born Pretty. It's actually a liner gel to create nail art, but I decided to use it today as a base. Once I cure this for 60 seconds, I'm gonna move on to the cat eye gel polish. And as soon as you see me here using the magnet, you're gonna see the colors changing. It's actually really beautiful. I'm very happy with this. This is my happy time, guys. This is my relaxing time and disconnect from the outside world just to do something that I like. Creating these videos, creating some cute nails, especially with the way the world is right now. As soon as you switch on the news, all you hear is craziness happening around the world. And I do like to participate on that and be part of everything that I can, just to make sure that we live in a better world for myself and for my kids and for everyone. But sometimes you have to disconnect and do your hobby. Find a happy, quiet moment for yourself. Otherwise, we're going to be full of stress and we won't be able to live a happy, balanced life. At least that's what I think. I don't know what you think, guys. Let me know. Here I was trying to put some decoration on the nails, but then I realized that they are already beautiful just the way they are, and sometimes less is more, and in this case that's what it is. Then I applied matte top coat on one nail to see what happened, and I didn't know when you do that to cut magnetic gel polish, everything disappears. Oh my god, so dull. So I went back to my shiny top coat. I cured it for 60 seconds, and yes, the nails look beautiful again. And here is the final result for today. I placed the nails in a cube box for press-on nails, and as you can see, these colors, the way this gel polish have these beautiful colors in it, they are just so beautiful. They're just simple like this, with not so much charms and decorations on it, because maybe another day I will create something with a different idea, but for today I just decide to leave it like this. And I love these nails. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for being here, and have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next one.